VEX Robotics is a great way to exercise the STEM field skills for high school and middle school students. This allows them to utilize these skills, practice them, craft them to compete against other schools in the area. It's a great opportunity to meet other engineers or future engineers in the area. It's also a good idea. Lots of friends are made. It's a great, they learn programming skills, they learn circuiting skills, they learn mechanical engineering skills. It is generally a great competition to enhance engineering skills all around. Engineering, leadership, anything really. Overall, it's a great competition. It really stresses you out. It puts you in uncomfortable places, and it's a great way to prepare yourself for your future career. So, the competition went really well. The morning was, there were a lot of things to figure out, but it eventually went really well. Everything was pretty smooth. Lunch went very smooth. One thing that we noticed that was very consistent in the tournament was the sportsmanship and also the teamwork. These teams, they work flawlessly together. The competitive ones, it's incredible to watch, actually. The teamwork and then the sportsmanship, we see shaking hands after every single match that is completed. Everybody respects each other, respects each other's space, respects each other's stuff, respects each other's skill, engineering skill as well as the actual driver skill. It's great to see, and I'm very excited for that generation of engineers. So how the game works is there is an alliance, and initially in the qualifying matches this is decided for you. There is a red team and a blue team. Each team has 2 robots, so this 2-robot team is an alliance, and they compete against each other. Their object is to throw balls at the flags that have a net behind them. There are 3 poles, each have 3 flags on them. Each flag has a specific point value. There are also cones that you can flip over, and each cone has a color on it, red side, blue side. Whatever one's flipped up, you get points for that. You can also get points by climbing onto mounts. There's a sort of a 3-tier mount. So the bottom tier are each team colors, and then there's a top one, which is sort of, the robots are allowed to play King of the Hill for, and they're actually allowed to fight each other off and be aggressive on it. So it's also, I think it's a really good mix of both actual driver skill. It also encourages good robot design because you have to incorporate cannons, speed, and also aggression capabilities. The VEX Robotics program generally enhances engineering skills because they learn C programming, first of all, which is incredibly important. That's the language that they program their robots in. They learn valuable mechanical engineering and electrical engineering skills, specifically related to circuiting, making sure that your motors are operating efficiently. And they also learn a lot of mechanical engineering skills. These robots can expand from 18 inches to 36 inches. They can literally double their size. So the mechanical engineering to make sure the robot is balanced in such a short wheelbase, it's a very, very difficult thing to do. So they learn a lot of valuable skills in the design regard as well as the actual team regard. The teamwork that is required to be a successful VEX team, I think personally is unmatched, actually. Being an engineer involves a lot of teamwork, communication, cooperation, and I think that these teams are an exemplary example of these properties.